To auto-translate your chat using the chat translation feature in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open a messaging or chat app. As the example, we will use WhatsApp. To do so, open WhatsApp. And then tap the contact you like to chat with. Tap the text field to show up your Samsung keyboard. And then tap the 3 stars icon to access the chat access feature. Next, select chat translation. If needed, you can change the source and target languages to fit with your need. To change the source language or the language you are using, tap the drop-down menu at the left side and then select the desired language. As the example, we will select English. Next, to change the target language or the language you like your phone to use as the translation result, tap the drop-down menu at the right side and then select the desired language. As the example, we will select French. Now, type something in English or in your source language. You can see that your phone will automatically translate the text you are typing to the selected target language. With this AI-based feature, now you can easily chat with someone with different language. All you need to do is just type in your language and your phone will automatically translate it to the target language. However, for the moment, the chat translation only support to 15 languages. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.